Today is a special day. We go and rent a tiller to till up gardens. And I called the rental place up, and guess what? They had no 5-foot tiller. They only had a 6-foot. The 5-foot was being repaired. So I took a gamble and thought, well, can it work? Can it work on the RK25? It's only 25 horsepower, only 18 horsepower at the PTO. Can it do it? Guess what? Yes, it can. This here is a Woods 72-inch, 72.40, very nice tiller, and look how good it does. It does fantastic on the RK25, surprisingly. And I found that when it does bog down a little bit, especially because of mud or manure, that it will cut through it really well. I just might need to turn up the RPMs a little bit, and very happy with it. So if you are questioning whether you can drive a 6-foot implement on the RK25, the answer is yes. So this video here just kind of goes through different soils, and you can watch it. It's not going to be that long of a video, hopefully anyway. But take care. God bless. Thanks for watching.
Broke a bunch of these, unfortunately. Now we're gonna have to go to the store and get new ones. I think I have a thing of them in the shed, but I don't remember. That's good.
My dad's garden was way too wet. Bad drainage over here. My garden looked absolutely perfect, but his was struggling. This is the dry side, and you can look at my tires. I should have done his garden first and then mine. But I was able to rent this from Paulding Ace Hardware, and they only charge $50 to rent this. I cannot justify purchasing a $3,000 to $4,000 implement if I can rent this for $50. They take care of it. They maintain it. If something breaks, it's on them. I don't have to store it. They do. So as much as I'd love to own one, it just does not make sense financially for me. Anyhow, this was a great tiller. It really was. And surprisingly, the tractor did it without a problem. I wasn't even sure I was going to be able to lift it out of the trailer because it weighs like 700 pounds dry. But it did. It lifted it out with the forks, no issues. Unfortunately, it really didn't fit on the trailer itself because it is wider than the rails of my trailer. But that's okay. I was able to still haul it around with it. I could just set it in the backs and use the forks and then just hook it up when I got there. Anyhow, this was a great machine. Don't be afraid of 6-foot implements, I guess. It works fine on this tractor. Surprising to me. My cousin Matt got to go down and visit our property in Kentucky.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks Matt for showing us what's going on.
I'm going to show some of this video to Bryce. There's a lot of water moving here today.